All right, beautiful people, let's get ready to elevate that energy. We're gonna be moving, feeling good, just elevating our entire selves. Let's go, let's do this. Y'all ready? Yes, let's go, side to side. Oh yeah. Bring your feet in, we're just gonna step out, just like this. We go. Get those hands put in. Yes. Now we're gonna take that step and just bring it right in front. Open up those hands, right? Out. Yes. Hey. Hey. Circle those hands, go. Say bye, bye. Throw it out. Hey. Hey, no lie. Keep it going, right? Hey, hey. Hey, hey, hey. Hey, hey, hey. Step it out. Hey, right there. Nice. Oh. Get those hands going. Hey. Everybody strike a pose right here. Hold. Knees. Hey. Ha. Ha. Hey. Step it out and in. Out. In. Oh. Hey. Hold that pose. Pose it. Rock that arm. Say bye. Hey. 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 No lie. Yes. Keep it going. Hey. Yes. Yes. Hey. Hey. Step it out. Nice. Clear the way. Yes. Stand really tall right here. We're gonna go in a circle. Woo. Keep that going. Keep it going. Step it out. Jumps. Hey. 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 Pump it out. We go. Ho. Ha, ha, ho. Yes. Ha. Step it out. We go out. In. Out. In. Elevate that energy, let's go. Hold the pose, nice, yes. If you're feeling good, feel free to make some noise, and we'll catch you on the next one.